Hello everyone. I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu from School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal, and I am here to present my video lecture on role of entrepreneurship in economic development. Economic development especially means a process of upward change whereby the real per capita income of a country increases over a period of time. Entrepreneur plays a vital role in economic development. Entrepreneurs serves as the catalyst in the process of industrialization and economic growth. Technical progress alone cannot lead to economic development unless technological breakthroughs are put to economic use by entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs initiate and sustain the process of economic development in the following ways. First is the capital formation. Entrepreneurs mobilize the ideal savings of the public through the issues of industrial securities. Investment of public savings in industry results in productive utilization of national resources. Rate of capital formation increases, which is essential for rapid economic growth. Thus, an entrepreneur is the creator of wealth. Yes, we can say that entrepreneur is the creator of wealth. Next point is improvement in per capita income. Entrepreneurs locate and exploit opportunities. They convert the latent and ideal resources like land, labor, capital into national income and wealth in the form of goods and services. They help to increase net national product and per capita income in the country, which are very important yardsticks for measuring economic growth. Next is generation of employment. Entrepreneurs generate employment both directly and indirectly. Directly, self-employment as an entrepreneur offers the best way for independent and honorable life. Indirectly, by setting up large and small scale business units, they offer jobs to millions. Thus, entrepreneurship helps to reduce the unemployment problem in the country. Next, balanced regional development. Entrepreneurs in the public and private sector help to remove regional disparities in the economic development. They set up industries in backward areas to avail various concessions and subsidies offered by the central and state governments. Public sector steel plants and private sector industries by Modi's, Tata's, Birla's, and others have put the hitherto unknown places on the international map. Next is improvement in living standards. Entrepreneurs set up industries which remove the scarcity of essential commodities and introduce new products. Production of goods on mass scale and manufacture of handicaps, etc. In the small scale sector helps to improve the standard of life of common man. These offer goods at lower cost and increase variety in consumption. Next point is economic independence. Entrepreneurship essential for national self-reliance. Industrialists helps to manufacture indigenous substitutes of hitherto imported products, thereby reducing dependence on foreign countries. Businessmen also export goods and services on a large scale and thereby earn the scarce foreign exchange for the country. Next is backward and forward linkages. An entrepreneur initiates change which has a chain reaction. Setting up of an enterprise has several backward and forward linkages. For example, the establishment of a steel plant generates several ancillary units and expands the demand for iron ore, coal, etc. These are backward linkages. By increasing the supply of steel, the plant facilitates the growth of machine building, tube making, utensil manufacturing and other units. Entrepreneur creates an atmosphere of enthusiasm and convey a sense of purpose. They give an organization its momentum. Entrepreneur behavior is critical to the long-term vitality of every economy. The practice of entrepreneurship is as important to established firm as it is to new ones. Thank you.